you're going to do this essentially soup to nuts, right? In other words, the guy who's developing the next gadget or the next iteration of his own product, instead of schlepping out to China and going through the 8 month torture, he's now going to ship you this, essentially, contract you. Now, you guys are also going to acquire his parts more intelligently. I understand that's part of this process too.
Oh, yeah. Here's a really exciting thing too. Procurement is challenging, and there are often things that you can adjust that you might not know that will either save a lot of money or shorten a lot of time. Sometimes there could be, I'm just making up this example. You design your product with a 4.3-inch screen and this and this and this. It might turn out that the 4.5-inch screen is in stock and cheaper, and all you have to do is change the CAD file like this and adjust it, and all of a sudden that will work better. So connecting AI to source and supply can also make dynamic adjustments that a human just can't know all those things. So it really, really is powerful.
And then you will use robotics, the same kind of robotics that the big boys use in their big factories, to build me my 50 first units. And in a couple of weeks, I'm already testing this with customers and then iterating. It's got to be crazy expensive, right? I mean, how much is it going to cost?
No, it costs less. It costs less to do it this way, because we didn't have to either set up a human line of people to do it and train them how to make that product, and we didn't have to set up a programmed robotic line. Here's the angle. We have generalized robotics that can do many different tasks that just get adjusted by code. So it goes back to what you said earlier, software eating the world. Software is not only eating the world in the hardware product itself. Software is eating the world in our line. Like, our line is now driven by software, not by humans who wrote the individual lines of code. And it really, really is incredible what AI can do, because it can learn from every single product it's ever seen. Every single CAD file that we give to it teaches it something new about how to apply the glue, or how to put the screws in, or what order the plate should go on. Like, all those things are what is extracted essentially out of the minds of all the people who work on the lines over the years, but these just get extracted automatically from CAD files.